In this video, I'm going to do press-on nail extensions with Jofay fashion. When I was choosing the designs on their website, I noticed that there were so many options and I had troubles choosing the one because they have different styles, including simple ones such as French nails or ombre and some summer nail art. Some designs already include rhinestones, and there are also different shapes such as coffin shape or almond shape. So I will share some tips and tricks on how to make press-on nails last longer, and we'll do a set on myself coming up. Hello guys, this is Anastasia and I have press-on nails by Jofay Fashion. I picked some of this design on their website by myself, but honestly it was a while ago, so I don't really remember all of them. So let's take a look. There are different kind of baby boomer nails. We also have these abstract lines, and these colors will be perfect for summer. We have black French nails. This design looks cool as well, and on some design we even have rhinestones. Plaid baby boomer is cute, and I love this comic book design as well. We also have more rainbow and rhinestones. I really like this one with coffin shape, pink color and some fruit nail art for the summer, so I think I'm going to pick this one. The kit contains 24 tips and there are two ways on how to apply them. You can use this double-sided gel pads or a nail glue. Lint-free wipes, compact orange wood stick and small nail file in case you will need to file or shape something. The most important secret and trick on how to have your press-on nails last longer is the nail prep. We always have some cuticles, some skin on top of the nail plate. So first, it's important to push it back using orange wood stick. If you will leave some of the skin on the nail plate and then you will apply this tip on top, it doesn't matter whether you use glue or this gel pad, they're going to lift pretty quickly. So make sure that you push back all the cuticles and then you can remove the surface shine. I also prefer doing dry manicure and I always use electric nail file, but if you don't have one, you can do this using nail buffer or a soft nail file. But it should be around 180 to 220 grit. Make sure that it is not harsh, otherwise we can overfile and damage our nails. If you don't have any enhancement on your nails and you look at them, you will notice that they're always glossy. This is because we have some oils in them. So oils are the opposite of the good adhesion. And if you would like your press-on nails to last longer, we need to get rid of this layer and we need to take off the surface shine. And I use 220 grit buffer to do this. Now we have clean and matte nails and it is time to apply press-on nails. You can also use alcohol to wipe the surface. And the second trick on long-lasting press-on nails is to pick the size properly. It should cover your nail from one side to the other. It should not be too small, otherwise they're not going to last. Sometimes they don't really match with the shape of your cuticles like it just happened now, so I just file them with a file to make sure it's exactly as my nail. Then I'm taking off this paper from the top and apply this gel strip on my nail. And once I make sure that there are no bubbles in between my nail and this gel strip, I'm going to take off this part from the top. Technically, they work like a double-sided scotch tape, but they're also very soft. By the way, if you have very sensitive or damaged nails, you can also apply a thin layer of gel on your nails first, but do not forget to cure it and buff it. I applied some pressure to make sure that we do not have any bubbles, and this is it. Now I have beautiful long coffin nail and it is ready to go. We do not need to apply color or top coat. Then I proceed doing the same. Whenever you pick the gel strip, make sure that it also matches with the size of the nail. If you cannot find the one that matches perfectly, you can take a bigger one and then trim the rest with the scissors because they trim pretty easily. I personally prefer using these gel strips compared to the glue because for me it is much easier to take them off later, and also I have very thin sensitive nails, so they work better for me compared to the glue. But if you're using glue, also make sure that you do not have any bubbles in between the tip and your nail. It took me about 10 minutes to do these extensions, and then I went to my trip to Canada with this nail. So I would like to show you what do they look like after 10 days of wearing press-on nails. My cuticles are a bit outgrown and now we can see this little gap, but other than that, I think they look pretty good. I also tried a different nail art later with these comic book nails because I enjoyed doing this design a lot. By the way, this is so easy, so I did this second purple design when I was sitting by the pool. As a nail artist specializing in sculptured nails, honestly, I was never a big fan of press-on nails, but I tried them, I think, 1 year ago for the first time, and I can say that this is the perfect solution when you don't have time, when you have an interview or a meeting or a short trip and you need amazing nails and you do not have time. Also, this is a perfect opportunity to do your nails at home because you don't really need a salon to do press-on nails. Let me guys know what do you think. I will leave all the links to Jofay Fashion press-on nails because I enjoy their quality. And thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new nail art tutorials just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye.